Welcome back, and it's glad to know you're still there. Youth in the informal sector and others have converged to seek and generate evidence on what drives youth resilience and how their experiences can inform effective, inclusive and sustainable policies that will promote dignified and fulfilling work. Rofia and Masham Badmos was at a workshop of facilitating rollout of the African Youth Pathways to Resilience and System Change Research, and now reports.
Youth developmental crisis in Africa, often manifested through unemployment, has remained a significant challenge, leading to erosion of human capital, social exclusion, and economic stagnation. The in-country stakeholders Inception Workshop was to address how the young people, including persons living with disabilities, rural young women, and youth in informality, can become a pathway to shift systems that act as barriers to better livelihoods.
The young people in Nigeria are also venturing into different aspects of entrepreneurship. So we wanted to understand how are these young people responding to the realities that confront them. Youth with disabilities are not a homogeneous group. They are varied. It is important for government to do more than it has done. I must acknowledge that in the recent past, about 5-6 years, we have an act, a law to govern the protection of the rights of persons with disabilities.
Participants discussed gaps in current policies and programs in promoting dignified work, youth voice, resilience, and systems change.
We've trained in the first year last year, we've trained 5,000 youth in the state, and as we subject them to a millennium management system of 4 basic programs. 1, digital skill. 2, Amazon planning population, artificial intelligence, and digital marketing.
The event featured in-country program launch and inception. The program is facilitated by Partnership for Africa Social and Governance Research and Mastercard Foundation, and in partnership with 10 African countries. In Ibadan, Rofia and Masham Badmos.